Good morning, students. Today I will start new chapter of book First Flight, two stories about flying. This chapter contains two parts, his first flight and the black aeroplane. So first I will start the summary of the chapter, his first flight. First theme of the story. Actually, this is a very interesting story about flying. The baby seagull appearing like a human baby who is afraid to take his first step. He is trying to convince his mother to bring food for him. This is the first part of the lesson, in which we will come to know how a young seagull learn to fly. Now I'll discuss the short summary of the chapter. Fear in the heart of the seagull. Seagull, it is a bird which is generally found in the coastal areas, sea areas. There was a young seagull. He was afraid of flying. His two brothers and his sister had already flown away. His parents tried their best to encourage him for flying, but all in vain. It was useless. He tried to fly, but the fear stopped him. He could not believe on his wings. His parents chided means scolded him and threatened that he would die of hunger if he did not fly. Brothers and sisters became perfect in flying. The young seagull watched from the ledge, steep rock, from the rock that his brothers and sister were flying with his parents. They were being taught the method of diving to get fish. Diving, to dip into the seawater and to catch the fish. This way they were getting perfect for it. But the seagull could not gather courage. His mother's method to lure seagull. Lure means to attract seagull for flying. The seagull was very hungry. It was visible sunny day. The seagull pretended to sleep. No one saw him. Only his mother was looking at him. He was tearing a piece of fish by sitting in the another plateau. He made a sound to get this piece of fish. The young seagull was very hungry. Seagull and the food. Now the seagull could not control himself due to hunger, and he dived at food. He fell from his ledge. Ledge means rock, with a loud scream into space. Space means when he jumped from the rock, there was a blank space. So he was falling from the rock into the sea. His mother swooped upwards as he passed beneath her. He heard the swish of her wings. First flight of the seagull. After jumping, fear gripped seagull and he remained stand still for a moment. The next moment he felt his wings had spread. He was not falling downwards, he was flying slowly upwards and downwards. Thus, he had experienced his first flight, his experience with his family. Now, he had completely forgotten about his past fear. He was screaming with joy. His parents, brothers, and sister were with him and they were praising him. He was over the vast green sea. He dropped his legs into the sea and his belly means stomach, too touched the sea. His family members were offering him a scrap of dog fish. Thus, the young seagull had succeeded in his first flight.